Shubor nakaslem jong nongsan Hima.
Ka Entrepreneurship Development Cell Jongka Shillong College Haka Jinghikai Langbat ke Meghalaya Institute of Entrepreneurship Jongka Sarkar Jilla Henne kasngi kilapan ko buram mi ki Samla Pule ki baladep ya ka Jinghikai ka balai banai Habakren haka nekasngi uba lambor malngiang ulakular ya kini ki Samla Pule ki badai naga constituency jongu baun sakershan ya ki Ula kentu ya ka college ban a ya ki kerteng jongki shau khnang bon la ban ai jingram bat baken la ban yeng halaki jongki kijan Ula ongru bahaka jingsham jongu kani ka jinglen shop ka khlam kalawan ra jingkala haka jingem haga bashibun ki Samla Pule ki wan phai shaga jella bat minta kim dan kam donjam bat ki dangwat ban yokam kani kanyarap shibun ni ki Samla ban yeng halaki jongki kijan
And from the Dorbashno, we will extend any kind of support, any help that you require in order to develop something good for not only for Smith Village but for society as a whole. We are living in an era where the opportunities in the public sector is very saturated. Right? Competition is too much. The number of students passing out every year from these conventional courses has been increasing, whereas the post that is available or the vacancies that is available has become limited. So that creates more space for competitions, where the concept of survival of the fittest came into place. So I think the student has to take that from a positive note. Survival of the fittest, where you need to hone their skills, their ideas, your creativity in order to bring up something new that you should be able to offer to the market so that people can really use it, experience it, and it will create only excitement as well as benefits that will derive from whatever you have learned. So I hope that by this kind of initiative that the Shillong College Entrepreneurship Development Cell has taken, it will really help my people there, my students there, and not only from there, I think all around Meghalaya, you will start this program in the years to come and it will benefit them.
Then we worked together as a team and we saw the opportunity that can be done with this cell. The main objective of the cell was to create job creators and not job seekers. That was the main objective. In order to do this, we had to think of something. So we came up with this proposal of starting this 3 months entrepreneurship development course. And we had to write to UGC. We had to apply for fund. We didn't have any money at all. There was no funding. So we took up the challenge of coming up with the syllabus, of making the syllabus. So a 3-member team. It was myself, Ms. P. Kongla, and Sri Sumarlang Litskor, who came up, worked out with the syllabus of this 3 months course. We submitted it to UGC and it was approved, and the cell got a seed money of 7 lakhs in 2013. It was the seed money. So we started.
Smith dialogue. But there are times we have to, encourage the youth by speaking different languages. And I am proud. I was really shocked to see one of the students from my constituency. She speaks very fluent English. I'm proud, very proud. I'm so happy, deep of my heart. Why today I'm here? It is not for the sake of your invitation. I'm here to listen, to know, and to see through the Entrepreneurship Development Cell, which you had been conducting the 3-month program, very important program. I want to know that after completing your 3 months program, where are you heading? This is a big question mark. But remember one thing, that there is a saying, the belief among that hard work leads to material success. I put again before you, my dear students, there's a quote from late Mahatma Gandhi, the father of the nation. It says like this: success does not come on its own. You have to look for it. The more you work hard, the more they shine in your face. I'm here to inform all the young students from my constituency. I am there to support, to lend my supporting hand with your business plan. This is my message. Clear message. And I would like to have the names of all the students who have completed the 3 months course to kindly send it to me, and I will ensure that you will be able to stand on your own feet. Well, what to say? We are in the government. Some are criticizing the government, some they praise the government. There are loopholes here and there. We fill up here the gap, and empty is there. When we fill up there, backfired everywhere. We have seen in the past days, numbers of agitational programs took place, where we had a very long discussion in the coordination committee, which I am one of the members of the coordination committee of the NDA government. We have sent a very strong note to inform to the Honorable Chief Minister to kindly clear the problems of the school teacher.